Hey everyone, in this video, I'll show you how to get the latest Delta Executor for Roblox on any mobile device. This method works for both iOS and Android, so let's get right into it. First, open your browser. You need to go to this specific website, blockseasy.com. Make sure you type it in correctly. Once the site loads, you'll see a few options. We're here for the Executor, so scroll down to that section. Find the popular Executor tool and tap the blue Get Executor button to start the installation process. The first step is to connect your Roblox account. This allows the Executor to link with your game. Go ahead and type in your Roblox username. Don't worry, it doesn't ask for a password, so your account is completely safe. After entering your name, tap Connect Account, and the system will start searching for your profile. When your profile appears, just confirm that it's the correct one by tapping Yes Connect. Now that your account is connected, it will ask to import the Executor. Make sure you tap Yes here. You also get the option to pre-install some popular scripts. This is a great feature to get started quickly. I'm just going to select the Overflow script for this example, but you can choose any from the list. Once you've made your selection, tap Continue. Now it will process your request and build the files. Okay, we're on the final step. The API is connected and your activation key is ready. To finish the install, you just need to complete a quick verification. This is just to make sure you're not a bot. After you finish the verification, the Delta app will be installed on your phone's home screen. Now, just launch the official Roblox app as you normally would. The Executor injects into the game automatically. This means you can use the real Roblox app without any modifications. Let's load into a game to see it in action. I'll just pick this one right here. All right, we're in the game. You can see the Delta icon on the side of the screen. Tap it to open the menu. And there it is. The full Delta Executor interface is loaded and ready to go. You can see the script we added earlier is already in our list. You can also search for new ones in the script hub. For example, searching for farm brings up a whole list of popular farming scripts you can use instantly. This makes finding and using scripts incredibly easy and fast, all from within the game. Be sure to check out the settings as well. There are lots of useful options like anti-AFK and an FPS cap. You also have access to the console for debugging or seeing script outputs, which is a nice touch. And that's it, a fully working Delta Executor on your mobile device. It's that simple. If this video helped you, a like would be awesome. Thanks for watching.